Mastering English. Understanding your. A journey through possessive adjectives. Hello, language learners. Today we are diving into the world of possessive adjectives. In particular, we're going to explore the second-person singular possessive adjective, your. This little word plays a big role in English, and we're here to make sure you understand how to use it properly. Before we delve into your, let's quickly recap what a possessive adjective actually is. Possessive adjectives are words that indicate ownership or possession. They help us understand who owns or possesses something. Examples of possessive adjectives in English include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Now that we know what a possessive adjective is, let's focus on your. Your is the second-person singular and plural possessive adjective. This means we use your when referring to something that belongs to the person we are speaking to, whether we are speaking to one person or many. For example, is this your book? Or, are these your children? Your is commonly used in a number of different ways. It's used in questions, statements, commands, and even offers. Let's break these down. Questions. When you're unsure if something belongs to the person you're speaking to, you might ask, "Is this your pen?" Statements. When you're confirming or stating that something belongs to the person you're speaking to, you might say, "I found your wallet." Commands. When you're instructing someone to take care of their possessions, you might command, "Pick up your toys." Offers. When you're offering something to someone that belongs to them, you might say, "Here's your coffee." Your is also often used in contractions. A contraction is a shortened form of a word or group of words. For example, you'll often hear your in phrases like your, which is a contraction of you are. But remember, your and your are not the same. It's essential to use them correctly. Your, contraction of you are, is used when talking about a state or condition, as in, you're funny. Your, possessive adjective, is used to show ownership, as in, this is your car. That's a wrap on the possessive adjective, your. Remember, your helps us to indicate ownership and is used in various contexts. Practice makes perfect, so try using your in your daily conversations and written English. Keep learning and keep improving. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!